Did you guys hear that? I mean, I can't even believe this is not fried chicken, and it's not, but it's so crispy and crunchy. I'm gonna show you how to get that with minimal oil, and we're gonna serve it with a beautiful fresh salad. Okay, so we are gonna make the fried chicken without the deep frying. So exciting. All right, but first off, let's start with our noodle salad. Now, we're gonna use rice vermicelli noodles today. And the secret to cooking these is not to cook them, just soak them. So you just want some hot water, put those noodles in. And you see, because they're so fine, they can overcook really quickly. That's why we don't wanna boil them. Now, as they're soaking, just sort of spin them around, loosen them up a little bit, and these only need about 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, the best way to check is literally just to pull them out and taste them. Just tender, but not soggy. Okay, drain off as much water as you can. And I want to stop these from cooking and get them nice and chilled down. So I'm going to put them in some cold water. Okay, now I like to just sort of move them around, make sure they're all nice and cool all the way through that bundle, and then squeeze out all that water. Now, if you have an Asian mom like me, then you would have been told a million times that slicing and chopping up your noodles is bad luck. Well, here we go. We're gonna go with some bad luck noodles here, but I just find that it's easier to toss and serve noodles when they're a little bit shorter. And then we'll just leave these guys alone until we're ready to mix our salad later on. And now for that crispy chicken. So I'm gonna use skin on chicken thighs. I think that gives the best crispness and juiciness. You could also use skin on chicken breast as well if you like. Now I've patted these down with paper towel. You really want to make sure they start off nice and dry. And then here we want to add a little bit of color, flavor, and seasoning. So for that I need some turmeric, a good hit of ground pepper, and then be generous with your salt. That's going to add our seasoning as well as helping everything to crisp up. Now give everything a good mix. And now here we go for the cooking technique to get that really crispy chicken. So I just want a little bit of oil to get things started. Just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. And then put the chicken pieces in skin side down. Now, if you've been a long time follower of my channel, you would know that I've used this technique before for a chicken and my special fried rice dish. You can check that one out on YouTube. But what you need is some baking paper that goes on top of your chicken. And now you want another pan to go on top. And this is the part that's really important. So this second pan is going to weigh everything down. It's going to keep that skin in firm contact with that really hot pan. It's going to get everything really crispy. And now you can turn the heat down a little bit, and you want to leave those guys to cook for about 12 minutes. Okay, so this chicken is smelling so amazing. Let's have a look and see how we're going. All right, moment of truth. Now, would you have a look at that color? That is so amazing. See, what did I tell you guys? Crispy fried chicken without the deep frying. So good. Now you just want to let these guys finish off cooking on the other side, and in the meantime, we can make the rest of our salad. Okay, so I'm going to really quickly pickle some little green crunchy bits for our salad. This couldn't be easier. I'll start off with some cucumber, and I just want to finely slice it. Okay, that goes into a bowl. And I've got some Chinese cabbage here as well. And you just want little bite-sized chunks of this. And then just a little pinch of salt here is going to go a long way. Wait till you see what happens. So we just sprinkle it on, and now you really want to get in there and massage and squeeze that salt into those vegetables. And just set that aside while you're making your dressing. So this one is a favorite of mine. It's super simple to make. You just want some garlic cloves first of all, and just a light pounding will kind of pop the skins off. And then some chilies, and you guys know by now I like things quite spicy, so I'm gonna use 4, but you can go with as few or as many chilies as you would like. And then just a little pinch of salt here. It's gonna help to break down the fibers in those bits and pieces. And then just pound this to a fairly rustic kind of paste. Okay, so this is the kind of thing you're looking for. And to that, I wanna add some fish sauce. And then some palm sugar. So palm sugar generally comes in these sort of very hard blocks. And what you want to do is use your knife to shave the sugar off so that it dissolves quickly in that dressing. And now we've got the spicy, the salty, the sweet. We need a little bit of tang. So I'm gonna add some lime juice. Just give that lime a bit of a push down so you can release the juices inside. And then always with this kind of Thai style salad dressing, you wanna taste for the balance of flavors. Okay, so I've got the lime, I've got that little bit of garlic, I've got the tanginess. That's tasting perfect to me. But you could add more sweetness or more saltiness, totally up to your own taste buds. Okay, so let's come back and have a look at our cabbage and cucumber. And what you want to do is pick them up, and you'll be surprised it's only been a couple of minutes, and yet look at how much liquid we're getting out of those vegetables. So they'll have a little bit of a tangy flavor now, a little bit of a salty flavor. Oh, I love this. Just one little extra pinch of salt and a little bit of extra thyme, and you've got something even more extraordinary. And to that, I want to add a really good handful of fresh mint leaves. And now pour over that dressing that we've made. Now give everything a good mix together. Okay, let's have a look at our chicken, and it's beautifully cooked through. Now let's see just how successful we were with this I can't believe it's not fried chicken. Oh, listen to that sound. Amazing. I'm just gonna slice this up. Now I want a nice big helping of that fresh noodle salad. This is such a quick weeknight dinner. I love it so much. And then our chicken, and then just a couple of little extras here. I like some crushed peanuts on mine. And a little wedge of lime. So there you go, guys. The crispiest chicken without the guilt, and a beautiful, fresh, zippy salad. Listen to that crunch. I mean, amazing. If you've got any comments or questions, pop them below. And if you enjoyed the video, why not hit that subscribe button plus the little bell one, and that way you'll get notified every time I release a new video. Thanks, guys.